Okay. Team, any other questions you have?
I have that installing issue in data locker, so eventually connect.
Hello?
Hello, sir. My sir.
Yeah, Vijnan.
Yeah, I have that installment issue, like downloading the data loader.
Yeah,
Eventually
correct,
connect.
correct, correct, correct. Okay. Mm,
Actually, my laptop is going to service like it was broken today, so shall we connect tomorrow
okay, okay.
if it is possible. I'll text you in Google Chat once if I get the laptop.
Yeah, okay,
Sir,
Vijnan.
sir, can you explain question number 4 from Apex SOQL collections? Question number 4.
Okay.
And
Question
also
number four.
this
Yeah, get a list of
fourth and
unique
sixth
industry
one.
field values from your account and print them. Okay. So here you need to write a SOQL query on the account object, and you need to write that you need to include the field industry. Okay.
Okay.
Here use a set of string. Okay. In a for loop, loop over on the account records. Okay. Whatever you got. Okay.
Okay.
And to that set variable, you need to add that ACC dot industry, or what is the field? Yeah, ACC
Industry.
dot industry. What is the user set collection, Ayush?
What's up?
What is the use of set collection?
S- s- That's why.
Yeah, we have three types of collections, right? List, set, map.
Please and map. Yes.
Yeah. So what is the use of set collection? Set stores the unique values only, right?
Yes.
It don't doesn't show the duplicate values. Okay, it only shows the duplicate values. That's what the question is. Okay. Tim, you know about map collection, right? So what are the map methods are there? You know, right? Map methods. Get method, put method, key set method, values method. If you don't know, we can explain it tomorrow, okay? So because these collections are important. So you know how to write the SOQL query to the map collection variable, right?
No, sir. Can you explain it tomorrow, like in that topic when you cover it tomorrow?
Okay. Yeah. So if we miss anything, we will have it. Okay. Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, I will tell you. Okay. Yeah, Tim, tomorrow, yeah, we are going to cover the dynamic SOQL query, okay? Dynamic SOQL query and how to write the SOQL query for the map collection, okay? If you don't know about the map collection methods, we will explain it, okay? Like in the map collection, we have the key set method. Key set is to get the key values. Okay, to get the values, we use the dot values method. So these are important methods, team. Okay, so we will explain it tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, anyone know about the wrapper class? Wrapper class.
So it is a custom class where we can have multiple methods based on the operations we want to perform. Like for example, if we see like we saw the database class. So database class is a wrapper class in which we have multiple methods depending on the operations we want, like save result, or it might contain create object or any other field like that. So we can create a custom class on the basis of our requirement.
Okay. So here database is a class only, not a wrapper class. But database dot result is there, right? That is a wrapper class. So creating our own data type, own data type.
Okay.
Okay. Like what to say? Yeah, creating our own data type. Like yeah, we can create a like a class where it we can create a own data types like public string name, public string age, public string city. Like that, we can create a class. We can use that class in a different Apex classes. Okay. And also, yeah, by saying no, orally you can't get it, Tim. I will, if we give that with the example, you will get it. Okay.
So like when we do the wrapper class in Java, so if we have a string variable type or any other character variable type, we generally use integer wrapper class to convert that string thing to the integer. So in
Yeah.
that scenario, we use the wrapper class in Java.
Yeah, creating our own data type. And also we
Yeah.
use this wrapper class for integration callouts also. Yeah, when we perform the integration callouts right, with other external system, they have their own they have their own API names, right? Like in Salesforce, we have the underscore underscore C, like name underscore underscore C. But in other system, they have their own naming convention, like a student underscore ID. Okay, they do not have underscore underscore C. Like with that type of scenarios also, we will create our wrapper class in our Salesforce environment so that we can easily convert that return data into our Salesforce variable. Okay. So where we use this wrapper class and okay. And also in a single wrapper class, we can do like we can create a variable of account, list of opportunities, list of contacts, and list of cases. Okay. Yeah, we will see it tomorrow, team.
Like we see in that when we insert any field name and when we go to the API name field, so it automatically populates and converts it into the API for API name format. So it kind of triggers in the backend. So it can be a type of wrapper class they must have created in the backend, like when the data is that the field name they get it, it will automatically convert it into the API name format. So like we can take it as an example here.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't get your question, Amrish. Okay.
No, I'm not. I wasn't asking you a question. I was just, can we consider that as an example? Like in the back, if we look at the back end of the particular operation, like when we create a field, so we write the field name, and automatically it converts the API. Converts the field name into API name format basically. So in the backend, if we try to look at it from the backend perspective, so in that case, it will they must have declared a trigger in the backend which accepts the field name value, and once the user has populated the field name, it will automatically trigger that particular method basically.
Yeah,
That
correct,
method
correct.
will particularly it will convert that convert that into
Correct.
API name format. So we can take it as an example. That's what I was asking.
Yeah, correct only. So when you create any custom field, right? So there
Yeah.
will be automation is will be triggered. So that updates the API name of that field. Okay. So if that field API has any spaces, doesn't if that field API have the if that field API doesn't have underscores means validation rule will be triggered. Okay.
So it will hit the method accordingly basically.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. So those are the standard triggers.
Okay.
So
I, I was taking it as an example. Yes.
correct. Yeah, when you learn the system, right, Salesforce system, then you will find the what is the standard trigger, what is the standard trigger, what is a custom trigger, what is a what is a standard field, what is a custom field, which one is a standard LWC component, which one is a custom LWC component. Then you will understand it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, correct. That is a good example.
Excellent.
Team, you understood, right? We are changing the pattern of the assessments. Okay. They want like team want because for the previous batches they are unable to explain the topics technically. Okay. So they don't know if they don't know how to make a field required. Okay. For some users, we need to make that field as a required for some users. So how gonna you make it? So they don't know how to do that. So that's why we are coming with this approach. So like if we give a scenario like there is a profile, and for that profile there are multiple users are there, but for one user we need to make that field as a readable. So what are the steps you gonna write? So you need to write that in a description. Okay. So what are the things you will do? You gonna create a permission set. In that permission set, you go to that object, and from that object you go to the fields and make that field as editable. And then you go to the manage assignments. In that manage assignment, you need to select that user. That's how it gonna work. Okay. So that's a description you need to write. Okay. Aditya,
sir.
like,
Yes, sir.
okay. Yeah, I think someone yesterday didn't started the Apex Basics assignments. Who are that? Ayush Chadokar, I guess. Ayush
Yes, sir.
Chadokar, have you started the assignments?
Yeah.
Okay. See, one thing, if you are good at both the technical and theoretically, yeah, then you will be going to the projects and onboarded to the company. Okay. Please remember that. Okay. If you are not good at technical and theoretically, uh, you will not go to the project and okay. Understood, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
To
Sir,
get in, yeah, to get into a project and to get into a project, you need to be good in both technical and theoretically. Okay. For that, we will help you. Okay. But please put your efforts from your end also. Okay. So I want all of you to get the all the knowledge. Okay, technical knowledge and theoretical knowledge. Okay. Yeah,
Uh,
Sanidhya.
uh, Sir, after the boot camp is done, sir, what's the process like? What will happen?
Yeah, there will be interviews will be conducted from their side. So if you have participated very well, you will be onboarded to the company. Okay. So it will
Oh,
be fully dependent on you. They will check
oh,
your theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge. That's why I'm again insisting on those points. Okay.
okay. So they will ask everything in the interview, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And also they will ask the steps also.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's why please put your efforts, all your efforts. There is a lesser time is there, right? Like it is a 6 weeks only. Okay, please put your all efforts in this training team. Okay. Yeah, I'm saying this again and again. Okay.
So, sir, for example, after the if they take the interview, so they accept all people, or they have a minimum criteria that you have minimum that much of knowledge, then after we will accept,
If
like
you
that.
are good at both theoretical and practically, if all people, if suppose if you take 30 people are there, if 30 people are good at the theoretical and technically, they will take all the candidates.
Okay. It means they check person to person if that person is good at both or not, like that. Huh?
No, 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 no. They have the requirement of the candidates. So yeah, okay, understood, right? I think it is a so most of the people are from Pune, Maharashtra only, right? So they need to go to the there only. I don't know about that. Most of yeah. Yeah, I think Persistent is a MNC company, right? So it is located all over the India, right? So it is a problem. Yeah, but for now, please focus on the training, okay? Yeah, yeah. Team, I want everyone's to be good at technical and theoretically. Okay, I will call this again and again in every day. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. Team. Hello, Vernika. Hello. Team, please make a notes of your yeah about the Salesforce training. Okay. So write the definition, scenarios, and limitations, advantages, and everything. Okay.
So that
So
when you revise, no, it will be easy for you guys to remember.
so you don't give any, you don't give like a single interview. Okay. So the interview will not be taken by once. Okay. So you need to give your interviews multiple times. Okay. So after joining the company also, you need to client interviews will happen. Okay. So client will take the interview to you so that if you make a good notes from if you make a good notes from here only means it will help you a lot. Okay. Otherwise, in the end, you will think like if should I make the notes in the beginning uh, what should I say?
Um,
Yeah, I forgot those words. Okay. Yeah, thank you, team. I think the time is over. Hello, Vernika.
if there are no doubts, let's end this session. Thank you. Thank you for the
Team, please update the status of the assignments, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yes.
Thank you,
don't.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. I think some people, yeah, don't depend on the completely on the AI. Okay, so please depend on the you. I
Okay,
think
sir.
Namrata has completed all the assignments. Aditya Atlak, okay. 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 Yeah, what happened to other people? Ritiksha, Aryan, Subhanshi, Ayush Kumar. Sanidhya, Amisha. Why you people haven't started the Apex SQL collections? Okay, please start it. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, team. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
please
sir.
put
Thank you, ma'am.
please put extra hours.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you share yesterday's recording?
Yeah, sure, Shivanshu. I'll share with you.
Okay.
Actually, yesterday's are doubt sessions only. We have just asked the questions and asked the people to write
It is
the
a live
codes.
coding
That's it.
session, Shivanshu.
Yeah, there is no